today what we are talking about, we are looking at how we can extend Copilot to your line of business apps. And we've got the amazing Cameron Dwyer here who is going to present some real world demos, tech. Hopefully our tech works. We've just been playing around with some stuff, but hopefully that works. So I'm going to not hold the stage for too long, but I do want to just present a couple of different things for us before we kick off to Cam. Much for everything that you guys do for us. Just a quick little plug from me anyway, because I can. I'm just about to launch this new course, SharePoint and Copilot Mastery. It is going to be open up tomorrow. And you can see that little, I keep telling everybody that SharePoint is the center of everything and nothing works without SharePoint, right? So that was reiterated last week at Microsoft Ignite. Jeff Teeper there on stage. SharePoint is the central part of everything. So if you want to learn SharePoint and Copilot, everybody wants to learn SharePoint and Copilot. I'm going to help you. So head over to that link and register. It's going to be opening up tomorrow for early bird access and for founders as well.
Thanks for those that have joined us in person, and thank you very much for all those joining online. Today, we're talking about Microsoft 365 Copilot, but the lens I want to put on it today isn't so much using Microsoft 365 Copilot as you get it out of the box and on your Microsoft 365 data, but we're going to be talking about all that data outside of Microsoft 365, your line of business data and those external systems. So let's talk about why we extend Microsoft 365 Copilot and talk about what we get out of the box. So really, what Microsoft 365 Copilot brings to us is the LLMs, the foundational models. That's sort of based on ChatGPT and all that data that's been ingested from the worldwide knowledge. And on top of that, you also get your data that's in Microsoft 365. So all that SharePoint documents, your OneDrive, emails, calendar, things like that, that's your data inside of Microsoft 365. So it's grounded in that as well. And then we've got the way that it's surfaced. We've got the Microsoft Copilot business chat experience, and we've also got the Copilot experiences inside of things like Word, Excel, Outlook. And Copilot's also got the ability to augment that and reach out in real time to information that's on the internet, not just the grounding data that's in the LLMs themselves. But then moving beyond that, most organizations only have a fraction of their data that's actually stored inside of Microsoft 365. There's many, many other enterprise systems that you would have that are sitting outside of that and aren't playing a part of that enterprise AI experience. And that's what we're going to be talking about today, is how do we get access to these repositories of information that are sitting outside of Microsoft 365.
Tell me about the Woodgrove project. So rather than hitting the consultant's endpoint now, we're going to be hitting the project's endpoint. And it's giving us some information about the Woodgrove project. But you can also see here we have an adaptive card that's coming through, and it's allowing us to present it in a pre-formatted way and provide extra functionality here. You can see we've got project metrics coming through. We can view a map of where that project's based. Update your billing hours against a project. So let's ask Copilot to charge 10 hours against the Woodgrove Bank project. Okay, it's wanting to make an update here. So as a safety mechanism, this is the recommended way of doing things, is to get confirmation before you do updates. All right, 10 hours have been successfully charged to the Woodgrove Bank project, as you can see.